Hello everyone, this is Bakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, I'd like to give you a review of my new suit. Have a close look at it. It's made of striped fabric. This is a strong cotton. I love the color combination light beige and golden. This is my favorite design of the trousers. They're loose and cropped, with the pockets. I'm sure I will be able to wear them with different t-shirts, shirts, blouses. The waistcoat is of a classic design. I've added the detail with the cross stripes to make it more interesting. The stripes on the collar are on a bias. The stripes on the pockets are vertical. They correspond to the stripes on the front. Have a close look at the pockets. They're not even seen from the right side. Of course, I can wear the waistcoat unbuttoned, with some t-shirts. I'm not going to do it now. Have a look at this suit once again. I'm going to take it off to show you it in detail and tell you about the techniques used for making such a waistcoat. The trousers are pretty loose. The waistcoat is close-fitting. There are princess seams and chest darts run into the princess seams on the front. The darts are absolutely perfect. There are two patch pockets on the front. The pockets are not lined. They are edged with an overlocker and stitched to the vest. I also love the way the turn-down collar looks like. You can make a collar of any shape you want. Notice that the front neckline is not deep. I'd like to wear it both with some shirts under it and without. This vest actually looks like a sleeveless jacket. I love the design. I could have made a vent in it, but I've decided to stitch these details to the bottom. They make the vest look more interesting. Have a look here. I've taken the suit off. Let's have a look at the trousers first. The pockets are perfect. This line is absolutely straight. Due to the fact that the fabric is striped, we had to do a lot of work by hands. We had to make the stripes match. This is very important, but I think that the result is worth it. I wanted to have a close look at the wrong side. Have a look at the pocket bags. They are edged with a bias binding. The fly front, it's covered with lining. This part is also edged with a bias binding. There is also a bias binding on the waistline. There is nothing complicated in the trousers. The bottom is overcast. I wanted to show you this detail. I think that it looks very neat and nice when you use the same fabric for pocket bags and bias binding. I can move the trousers aside. Let's have a look at the waistcoat. The waistcoat is not lined. There are two princess seams on the front and the back. Chest darts. The armholes were edged with the facing. It was stitched with invisible stitches. The armholes are very comfortable. The wrong side of the button stand was cut on the crosswise grain. Notice that the stripes are vertical on the right side and horizontal on the wrong side. Let's have a look at the collar. The label and the upper collar are very neat and beautiful. Have a close look at this angle. It's very important to stitch the upper collar this way to make this part strong. It keeps the shape of the collar. The collar is absolutely perfect. I love the way it looks like. Have a look at the bottom. The detail with the cross stripes makes it look as if some other garment is showing from under the waistcoat. That's all for today. I hope that you like the design and the idea of this suit, and it will inspire you to create something unusual. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukšte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.